Have you ever looked at the ink collections and wondered where the newest colour families fit? We get asked this question all the time, especially by customers who are building their collection or trying to decide which family to add next. So today we thought we'd show you exactly where these new collections sit alongside our existing colour families and explain what makes each one unique. Let's start with Vintage Study. This collection fits beautifully between Tea Party and Woodland Escape. If I had to describe it in just a few words, I'd call it an earthy red collection with soft, muted coral undertones. It has the warmth and vintage feel that so many of you love, but it's a little richer and more grounded than Tea Party, while not quite as deep or earthy as the Woodland Escape. If you've been looking for these warm terracotta, dusky coral, and aged brick tones, Vintage Study fills that gap perfectly. Next is Highland Flora. This is the warmest of all our purples, so I would place it directly after Shades of Purple. While Shades of Purple explores cooler and more traditional violets, Highland Flora brings a warmer, more floral-inspired tones. Think heather-coloured hillsides, wildflowers, and soft twilight hues. These colours pair beautifully with neutrals, greens, and vintage palettes, giving you even more flexibility when creating layered backgrounds or floral projects. Finally, we have Tranquil Reflections. Although it's part of our grey range, it's actually our warmest grey collection and the one with the strongest red undertone. That's why we would place it as the very first grey family in the collection. It's a wonderful transition from the warm colours into the neutral range because it doesn't feel cold or stark. Instead, it has a beautiful softness that works wonderfully for vintage projects, subtle backgrounds, and adding gentle shadows without overpowering the design. One of the things I love most about the new collections is that they don't replace anything that's already in the range. They simply fill in those beautiful spaces between existing families, giving you even more options and even smoother transitions to your colour collection. We hope this helps you visualise where these new families fit and makes choosing your next collection a little easier. Let us know in the comments which one you are most excited to try and if you'd like to see more videos comparing colour families side by side. We really do hope this helps, and happy crafting! Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon, and happy crafting!